Maggie, do you like your daddy the best? Yes. He's your favorite, right? Look at the camera and say that. Yes. Yes. And what about mommy? Is she your favorite? No. No. And who is your favorite? Did you like pie better than cake? Yes. Yes, you do. Yes, pie is exciting. What about cake? You like cake? No. No. So who's your favorite daddy? Yeah.